Hello everyone, I'm Vasco, the founder and creator of Green Balkan Express, and this is the first live streaming tutorial for Green Balkan Express, and in the next 45 minutes, an hour, I will do my best to explain everything about Green Balkan Express, which is essential for you to be able to use Green Balkan Express. Either you are companies buyers or companies sellers, manufacturers, wholesale uh, companies, wholesale suppliers, and etc. I so uh, let's begin. Green Balkan Express is a web platform for promotion of wholesale export of products uh, from the Balkan Peninsula companies, for companies from the countries of Balkan Peninsula which have wholesale products for export. So um, you can just go by sorry by clicking Green Balkan Express.com. Oops, sorry. Here. So you can type greenbalkanexpress.com and you are on the main page of Green Balkan Express. Here you can see the main categories of products: agriculture and food processing, building and non-material industry, chemical industry and fuels, electronics and electrical engineering, machinery and machine industry, metallurgy, and textile, leather, and jewelry. Uh, Green Balkan Express is a relatively new platform, and as about the visits, uh, I can show you our Google Analytics. Just give me one moment. So these are the Google Analytics of Green Balkan Express for the last 30 days. And you can see that we had for the last 30 days, we had nearly 5,000 visits. And by states, the most of them are from Egypt, then Georgia, Armenia, Turkey, Jordan, Saudi Arabia. And this is our Google Analytics for the last 30 days on the world map. So But the good thing is that these numbers are not just uh, visits from nowhere. They are visits from uh, visitors who are interested in buying or selling uh, products, wholesale products. So let's get back to Green Balkan Express and explain how you, as an interested site, as a company who which has uh, products for export, for wholesale export, how you can start using this platform. First of all, you ought to uh, let me log out to if you are on Green Balkan Express for the first time and you have not registered yet. First of all, you ought to register here, or if you're not registered, if you go directly here to apply for a vendor account, because first of all, if you want to become a vendor on Green Balkan Express, and if you want to start building your online warehouse, first of all, you ought to apply here, apply for a vendor account. Uh, if you, if somebody from you who are watching this video streaming wants to do this, please uh, follow the steps. The steps. Uh, So, first of all, when you will click on apply for a vendor account, if you are not signed in, this will come to you, this window, uh, to register, to make the registration. If you are registered, you will just log in. If you are not, please first register by clicking here on register and filling out all this information, clicking on the reCAPTCHA and register. After you will do this, you will receive a confirmation email on the email uh, to confirm that the email is yours and that you are a real person. After that, you need just to log in. So let's do all this step by step. Apply for a vendor account. Uh, register. I will do this hypothetically. For example, meal Mm, I will use this email, brands for Macedonia, yandex.com. Okay, Macedonia. Here is the name of your company, your phone. If you have been recommended by someone, you can type their name. I will type my name. I will use a password. I'm not a robot, and I will click on register. Okay, I ought to accept privacy policy. Here you can click and read it and register. After this, your registration has been successfully completed. You have just been sent an email containing membership activation instructions. After this, you will receive an email. I will show you. Here, you will receive an email. In Balkan, to activate your account, click here. You ought to click here and activate your account. Account activation. Your account has been activated. And after this, you can just go and apply for a vendor account. First, you ought to sign in. And then you have this, apply for a vendor account. Here, you ought to write your vendor's name, your company name. For example, I will just write wholesale. What name to write? I will write just company name. your email. Okay. Description. Here you ought to write some short and well developed description of your company. Here you ought to add your logo. For example, I will put this description. I will write our this is the place where you ought to write something about your company. Okay, then I'm not a robot. I accept the terms of services. You can click here and read the terms and submit. After this, you ought to wait for a while as we can approve your application and to approve you as a vendor. So now I will log out and I will log in as an admin of Green Balkan Express. I will go to the administration section and approve in the customers part. As a vendor. Okay. And then I will go to vendors. This is and I will approve this vendor with active. Okay. Now, if I log out as an admin and log in as brandsformacedoniayandex.com as a new vendor, let me show you. After you will be approved as a vendor, and after you will come back and log in, you will have this. You will have an opportunity when you click on my account to have this administration section, and you will have this dashboard. And if you go to catalog and to products, you can add your product by simply clicking on add new. So let me show you. You click on add new, and here you can add your product. For example, here you ought to write your product. You can add the name and descriptions of your products on all these languages here: English, Albanian, Macedonian, Greek, Arabic, Bulgarian, Chinese traditional, Croatia, Czech, Danish, Dance, Netherlands, all these uh, languages. If you just want just in English, you ought to fill first this standard. So you ought to write the product name, for example, Apple, the description. Here you can write a short description, and here you can write a full description of the product. A SKU number, if you want, you can write a SKU number, uh, which will be just for you. From the categories, for now, from the categories, you will be able to use just category new products. This is you ought to choose this category new products, and then depends on what category is your product. For example, the apple is fruit, so you will choose agriculture and food processing for flora and fruits, and it's done. From manufacturers, you can choose, um, for example, because I'm from Macedonia, I can choose Macedonian products, but you can choose some other manufacturers. For example, Greek products, Bulgarian products, Serbian products, and so on. Uh, you click on this, published. You can write some tags, for example, fresh fruit, just fruit, mm, Macedonian, for example, or if your product is Greek, you can just type Greek, so on. Uh, then if your product is starting to be available from a certain date, you can uh, you can fill this, you can choose the date, etc. But we recommend this we recommend you for this to be um, and you can mark as a new product. And in prices, if you click on prices, you can you can add a price, you can add old price, and product cost. You can disable the buy button by clicking. You can you can activate available for pre-order. You can activate call for price. You can activate uh, a customer could enter price, and I will click call for price. And in the shipping section, you can enable shipping or disable. And if you are unable, you can write how much is the shipping cost for you. I will click disable. And in pictures, first, before to add your images for the product, first you add to save. You ought to save the product. Okay, and here is your product. And then you can click on edit button here. You can come here on picture section, upload a file, for example. Mhm. Here, and here you can manage the display order, or you can just click on add product picture. If you want, you can add another picture by clicking on upload a file. For example, if you want to be this picture to be the first one, you can add -1, and here it will be the first one. If you want to delete, you can click here, delete. If you want to edit, you can edit here, and then you can just click on save. And then you can back to public store here and see your product. Uh, can't understand. here. After that, after we will see that you added a product, we will make this product to be future product and to start being presented in the main page. So I will do this now. I will log in as an admin. I will go to categories. I will go to the category new products. Here, and I will make this product to be a future and save. So if we go to the public store, we will see now that the product is here. If you want your product to be first here and not the last, you ought to do this. When you are creating your offer, now I will log in as a vendor. So sorry. Okay. Now let me log in as a vendor. Mhm. Here. Okay. And let me go to the administration section. Okay. And then in products, Here, when you will create your product, uh, here you have to click here on advanced, on advanced. Here you can add some other things if so. The products, we find the product. Uh, Here I will write display order, for example, -7, and I suppose that now we ought to have a good result. Yes, if we click on save and go to the public store, and now okay, our products is first on this slider where it says new products. The good thing is that uh, in this manner you can add as many products as you want to offer in this as a vendor with your vendor account for free forever, and it will be here on the first slider of the main page of Green Balkan Express. And if you want your company to have separate main page slider or separate web store, as for example for Nano Team Trgovia company, and they have visit our Green Balkan Express store here. They have another separate web store like this. This is the web store with a domain, the name of the company, greenbalkanexpress.com, and you have just your products here. And if someone wants to, for example, to contact you, for example, clicks on some of your products and clicks on vendor on the vendor name, Nano Team Trgovia, and here they have all the products from of this vendor, and by clicking contact vendor they can contact you by entering the name, the email, writing the inquiry, and in the email they can write their contacts information, for example telephone, email, and after that this message by through our system of Green Balkan Express, it will come on your email, and then you can start contacting each other without any problem. So if you want a separate a separate main page slider with your company and a separate store, you can uh, choose one of the types of vendors which are here on the right side. For example, these main page slider, main page slider are the same, but the difference is on the uh, on the how long this have has value. For example, main page. If you want to have a separate main page slider for 3 months, you will pay €200. If you want for a separate main page slider for 6 months, is €300. And if you want main page slider for a year for unlimited number of products. It is 500 euro. And we have another types of memberships. Separate a web store, for example, not just a separate slider, but a separate web store and a separate website and mobile apps on Play Store and Apple Store. It is 100 and 1,500 euro per year. And you have this type of membership paid just once. You pay just once 2,000 euro and you are unlimited member of Green Balkan Express forever. You will have a separate uh, web store with your with your name uh, and .greenbalkanexpress.com or with your own domain that you which you will choose. So if so, as I said, uh, you can. Let's go back to the main page of Green Balkan Express. You can apply for a vendor account here for free. We will approve you as a vendor account, and you can add as many products as you want for free without paying anything, and they will appear here in the first main slider of the main page as a new product. And then if someone is interested from your product, they can just come to your product, click on the company name, and just contact you. So you can use Green Balkan Express forever for free and add unlimited uh, offers, unlimited number of products, and they will be here on the first main page slider. But if you want, for example, something more, if you want a separate slider just for your company and a separate uh, web store, online warehouse, or just for your company, you can come here on the types of vendors and choose your the most suitable membership and make the payment. If you want to make this in the next 24 hours until the tomorrow, uh, until tomorrow 7 p.m., you can uh, choose. We have prepared for you one voucher of 100 euro and another coupon with 50% uh, discount. But let me write first. Sorry. Okay. Here I will write you uh, the 100 euro voucher is the caps lock Green Balkan Express GBE line event other central line 100 euro. You can use this and the another which is 50% discount is the same Green Balkan Express, the first letters line event 50%. Let me show you how you can use uh, this voucher and this discount. So for example, you want to you want this type of vendor main page slider. It's for 1 year membership for a company with a separate main page slider. And with this, you have separate vendor account with a separate control panel where you can make the offers of your products with images, description, prices. Separate dashboard with a detailed overview of your offers, orders, and sales. Interested customers and your potential new partners will contact you directly by email or phone. Email notifications about your orders and sales. You can offer unlimited number of products. Main page slider for your offers. Marketing and boosting of your offers all around the world, and no additional fees. Uh, you can choose the start date and the end date. Of course, it will be for 1 year. You can click just here on rent button. Uh, sorry. Okay. And here, uh, and where you can read enter your coupon here. You can enter first the coupon, this 100 euro, apply coupon, and you can see here the price is now 400, and then you can apply the other which is 50%, and now your price is 150. You can agree here with the terms of services, and you can go to checkout. Here you can write bill to the same. You ought to fill this, and here you can check. You ought to check these PayPal Smart Payment buttons, and click to next. And if you have a PayPal, you can pay through your PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal and you want to pay with your credit card, you just click here and write your number of your card and all the information, And that's it. You are done. So you can choose these coupon codes. The the first, the 100 euro voucher is Green Balkan Express GBE Event 100 EUR, and the second is for 50% discount GB Event 50%. Uh, you can choose if you choose just the voucher coupon for 100 euro discount, and choose, for example, this main page slider without using the 50% discount coupon. We will give you a Green Balkan Express membership for a main page slider forever, for free, with just one payment, because this is our first video tutorial and we want to give this to you. So I forgot to tell you that uh, after you will choose your type of vendor, for example, this main page slider, uh, 1 year membership for for this 500 euro, uh, you get we make a sponsored advertisement on Facebook and Google for you, minimum 100 euro per month. So you pay just with the discount, you pay 400 euro for 1 year, and we give you 1,200 euro in advertisement, in sponsored ads uh, of your products all around the world. So here we come to the end. I If you have any questions, you can write under the video as a comment, or just uh, go to Green Balkan Express and in the contact us section, just put to us, write us an email, or call us on Viber or WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye bye.